The sum total of all biochemical reactions that are taking place in a body is A. Glycolysis, B. Anabolism, C. Amphibolism, D. Metabolism. The answer is metabolism. So generally in the body, there are thousands of reactions that are taking place in the body, and these metabolic reactions are the reactions that specify a cellular function. Remember that we have cellular differentiation, cellular specialization. So specialization of the cells depend on the types of the reactions that are taking place in that particular cell. Question 2. Diadash is a process that breaks down large molecules of food into smaller ones for the absorption of animal. A. Transportation, B. Digestion, C. Absorption, D. Metabolism. The answer is digestion. So generally, digestion is a process that involves the breaking down of large molecules of food such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids into smaller ones for the absorption of the body. So the answer is digestion. 3. Which of the following is an example of polysaccharides? So polysaccharide is when actually smaller molecules of monosaccharide join together to produce a larger one. So A, we have starch, B, glycogen, C, cellulose, D, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. So polysaccharides is a complex carbohydrate that are formed by using a smaller carbohydrate molecules. The major minerals ion that aid salivary amylase carbohydrate digestion in the mouth is A. Calcium ion, B. Magnesium ion, C. Chloride ion, D. Phosphate ion. The answer is chloride ion. So chloride ion is a minerals ions that are needed by salivary alpha amylase. 5. Several glucose transporters have been identified in various tissues. Which of the following is used by red blood cells for glucose uptake? A. GLUT1, B. GLUT2, C. GLUT3, D. GLUT4. So generally, the cells of the body use these glucose transporters to transport glucose molecules from the blood cells to various cells of the body. So the answer is GLUT1. A chemical compound involved in the process of metabolism is known as A. Metabolite, B. Catabolite, C. Radicals, D. Intermediate. The answer is metabolite. So metabolites are the chemical compounds that are involved in the process of metabolism. 7. Which of the following has a spiral metabolic pathway? A. Glycolysis, B. Cori cycle, C. Fatty acid biosynthesis, D. Citric acid cycle. The answer is fatty acid biosynthesis. So 8. The major product of glycolysis in cancer cell is A. Lactate, B. Pyruvate, C. Acetyl-CoA, D. Glucose. The answer is lactate. Lactate is a major product that actually produced in a cancer cell because cancer cell lack aerobic process. So 9. Name the type of the pathway in which is involved in the synthesis of a compound. A. Anabolic pathway, B. Catabolic pathways, metabolic pathways, and then amphibolic pathway. The answer is anabolic pathway. Anabolic pathway is a type of a pathway that involve in the synthesis of large macromolecules. Name the inhibition where the end product of biosynthesis pathway inhibit the activity of the phase enzymes. A. Feedback inhibition, B. allosteric regulation, C. competitive inhibition, D. covalent modification. The answer is feedback inhibition. So generally in feedback inhibition, the end product of a particular pathway is utilized as the inhibitory molecules of the phase enzymes of that particular pathway. Like for example, look at this example.